Also, Mark, it's not the first time this has happened today, so I need to have this morning, bro. What were you and your class doing right before the alarm went?
Well, I had just handed everybody some paperwork. The teacher came in and told me about what happened at Chesterfield. And then... That's about all I can remember. Well, thank you very much, Mr. Wilson. Of course.
Wait.
Hey, you know what? I actually did give Mikey the key to the bathroom.
You did?
Yeah. Mikey?
No, actually, I heard someone running down the hall before the
He's
fire
lying.
went off, but that's all I remember.
All right. Well, Captain Stolt, can you show us what you found so far?
Of course. Follow me.
You too, Mikey.
Me? Why?
Because you said you were the last one in the hall, right? So maybe you could provide some insight to us. Let's go.
Okay, all right. I'll be right back.
Start looking at him though.
I mean, luckily everyone's okay.
Mikey, think. What else was happening in the hallway when you were here?
Let me rephrase this back. So, I left the school in class, and I went to the bathroom.
Not yet. Mikey's explaining what was happening. He went to the bathroom.
That's odd. I was going to fix some plumbing when the alarm went off. I didn't see you.
Well, that's because I ran into the girls' room.
No.
Well, you see, George told me that the toilets were overflowing, so I decided to use the girls' restroom.
That's true. I did tell him.
See?
But the key that you took was for the boys' bathroom.
Yes, I am.
I got the fingerprint, kid. Now we can see who the suspect really is.
Wonderful. It's right here.
Thank you.
Mikey, you were saying?
What? What was it?
Mikey, if you had a key to the boys' restroom, how did you get into the girls' restroom?
Well, you see, there was a girl, and she came out of the restroom, so I decided to sneak inside. I'm sorry, that was wrong.
I don't know. That all sounds a little odd.
Mikey, if you are covering up for someone else, you, young man, are in big, big trouble.
I'm telling you everything I know, I swear.
Principal,
Yes.
we didn't find any prints, but we did notice something odd. It looks like cheese dip.
Mikey, you were eating cheese in my classroom.
What? No. See, my hands are clean.
That's because you just rubbed it all over your shirt.
That explains why there isn't any prints. Use the shirt to pull the alarm.
Oh, Mikey, how could you do that, especially after all that we've been through?
Please, just don't tell my mom. I didn't think all this was gonna happen. I just pulled it because I didn't want to do the pop quiz and just wanted to go to Legoland with my friends.
Pop quiz?
Yeah.
No, Mikey, no, I just wanted to play a game with you all.
A game? Are you sure you think I did all this for nothing?
Mikey, you're coming to my office right now.
No, please, I'm sorry.
Actually, I have to stop you there, Principal.
Thank you, officer. Thank you. You don't know how much I appreciate that.
Mikey's actually going to come with us.
What?
Going the fire alarm is a serious crime. You didn't know that?
A crime?
Yes, it is. I'm going to take you downtown. Go.
Go.
No, please.
Oh, don't worry about it. It'll be all right.
No. No, let me go. What's going on? What are you doing with Mikey?
Under arrest for pulling the fire alarm.
Mikey? Mom!
Can't explain. I was in the neighborhood and I heard that the alarm went off.
And seems like your son is the one who pulled it.
What? Mom, please don't take away my tablet. And don't grab just want to go to the Lego Land with my friends.
That is what you're most worried about. You should be worried about going to juvie. I'll meet you at the station.
Yes, ma'am.
What? No, please, no. I'm not going. Let me go. No, Jay, Derek, no. All I can say is,
What if we problems? Just make them worse.